Hey, Nicole here with Momentum Accounting. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how our team communicates with clients. So you can make sure that we're a good fit for you based on your communication preferences. So your first interaction with us will be a 30-minute intro call, and that will be done on Zoom. Our team has a culture of cameras on. So I just know that if you don't want to have yours on, that's fine, but we will always have our cameras on. After you become a client, your communication will be routed through an email, help@momentumaccounting.com. And this is a shared inbox that our team uses. So when you send us an email with a request, your email will be automatically assigned to your main point of contact, and then you'll also always have a secondary person on your account. So if your main point of contact is out of town, or if they need to pull in someone else on the team for help, they just can do that through our email system. During onboarding, you'll have a weekly meeting scheduled with us because there's just a lot of context that we need to get. So we'll schedule that on the very first onboarding call. We'll get that scheduled for at least the next 4 weeks, sometimes longer if it's a bigger engagement. Once you become a recurring client after the onboarding phase, we have at least a monthly meeting set up so we can check in, go through your financials, collaborate on anything that needs to be changed. Some of our clients we meet with weekly, depending on their contract and level of service. If you need anything from us, our preference is that you send us an email to that help@momentumaccounting.com. Our team's on that all day, very quick response time, typically same day response time, usually no more than 24 hours. And if you need to, if it's something that's more collaborative where we can't just respond in an email, we can either send a Loom video back to you, or we'll send a calendar link so you can schedule an appointment to collaborate on that a little bit more. And then I will say one thing that we don't like is random phone calls. Our team blocks out their calendars. They have deliverables every week. They're doing deep work. So getting random phone calls from our clients is not our preferred method of communication. We're a remote team. We don't have like an office manager or somebody answering calls. We are typically by appointment only. Now, if you have an emergency, of course, give us a call. You'll have all of our phone numbers. You can text us, you can call us, but please, please, please don't make it a habit. We really prefer scheduled meetings. And the reason is because when we come to those meetings, we have an agenda, we have our notes, we take note of action items so we can follow up with you. We're prepared. We're mentally in the space to work with you and your business, and we're prepared versus getting a random call out of the blue when we're not ready. We don't have our notes ready to go. It's just a better client experience for you when we're more prepared. We also use a note-taking AI that connects to our Zoom calls, so it records all of our meetings. That way, if we need to reference it back to something that happened on the call, we don't need to bug you again. We can just go back to that recording. And if we're doing a training session, we can send you that recording after the call so you can reference that too. So that's really our preferred means of communication. If that is something you resonate with, awesome. If not, then probably not a good match for our team. But we are, again, 100% remote, and we've been remote for 7 years, and so we're pretty good at all the stuff online. If you want to learn more about us, you can find us at momentumaccounting.com. I'm Nicole. I'm the founder of Momentum Accounting. We are a fractional accounting department for small businesses. I'll see you with the next video.